Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to invite friends on Margex. If you're looking for ways to grow your network and earn rewards on Margex, then inviting friends is a simple way to get more out of your Margex account. First of all, launch open Margex application on your smartphone, or you may also go visit the Margex website and log into your account. Once you're logged into the Margex homepage, go ahead and tap on the gear button or the settings button at the bottom right corner, or you may also tap on your profile icon at the top left. Either way, you will see this menu on the screen. Tap on Invite Your Friends and Earn Crypto button at the top left, and you will see your referral code at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Share Link in order to share your referral link to one of your contacts. Select a contact you want to invite on Margex, and a pre-generated text will be printed in the text box. Click on the Send button. You can share your link via any social messaging application or via your SMS app, email, and so on. After you send the referral code to your friends via any medium, make sure your friend signs up using this link to ensure you receive referral rewards. And that's it. Inviting friends on Margex is quick and easy. Start sharing your referral link today to expand your network and enjoy any bonuses or rewards Margex offers. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.